Or probably 10. Okay, part 2, it says, Tony and Manuel were trimming the branches of the tree. Tony was using 18-foot ladder, and Manuel was using 24. Anyways, it sets it up with 2 triangles. So I'm going to highlight the sides here, because that's going to help us. And so I'm going to do green over blue. Okay, so green over blue. So it says the distance of the taller ladder. So I'm going to go with 18 over 7, 24 over x, 18x, 24 times 7 is 168, divided by 18, divided by 18, 168 divided by 18. Going to be 9. Okay, remember this is in, so we're dropping it down, and we're going to get 0.3, and it's going to repeat that. Okay, so 54 is going to keep on repeating that. But if you do 0.333 over inches, that's a third of 12 inches, which is be 9 feet 4 inches. Number 9, what is the value of x? Look, guys. Okay. I would say 2.5 over 3.75, x over 60. So 3.75x equals 60 times 2.5. Get 150. We know it's got to be less than 60, so that's going to be out, and this is really too close. So I'm going to do 150 divided by 3.75, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're going to go, I'm going to go with 4 here, 0, 3, oh look, it's going to be 40. Okay, and our last one, Julie was looking at the architect's blueprint for her house. The scale of the blueprint was 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. I'm going to change that over. And what are 12 feet? We're 12 here, so we're here. So times 12 times 12, so 0.25 times 12. 2, 0, 0, 3, 1, 2. So we're going to get 3 inches. Look right there. And then I would do 0.25 over 1, x over 16, and we would get the same thing. So we would get 3 inches by 4 inches. Okay, and that finishes up our Unit 5 test.